Hello everyone. Welcome to all in the fourth session of probability. In this session, we are going to discuss about event and types of event. Let us start. What do you mean by event? A set of favorable outcomes of a given sample space is called event. This event is always subset of this sample space S, and events are generally denoted by capital letters A, B, C, D, etc. Example is that if two coins are tossed and A is the event of getting at least one tail, then the favorable outcomes are here. When we toss two coins simultaneously, then the sample space S is equal to HH, HT, TH, TT, and number of sample point is equal to 4 here. Now A is my event, which is a subset of this sample space S. What is that event A? A is the event that getting at least one tail. Now before finding event A, let us understand what do you mean by at least one tail. Here at least one tail means minimum one tail is compulsory and two tail also permissible here. Means here we can take two tail also and one tail compulsory. So in the sample space, see the event A. Here one tail, that is HT, TH, and two tail is equal to TT. So the number of sample point in the event A is equal to HT, TH, TT. That is N of A is equal to 3. Now second example. A die is rolled. Write the following event. The first event is that getting even number. Second event B is getting prime number. And third event C is getting a number less than 6. Now here a die is rolled. This is a die. When this die is rolled, we get a sample point 1 to 6. Because on the die there are only 6 numbers. So N of S is equal to 6. Now my first event is that getting even number. In the sample space, look at which are the even numbers here. The even numbers are 2, 4, 6. So number of sample point in the event A is 3. This event A is the subset of this sample space S. Second event is that B, getting a prime number. Prime number. Prime number are those numbers which are comes in the table of itself. Now here again see in the sample space which are the prime numbers. Here prime numbers are 2, 3, 5. So number of sample point is equal to 3. The third event is that C, getting a number less than 6. Now again this C is a subset of this sample space S. So the number less than 6 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So N of C is equal to 5. Now let us see the types of event. See the first event, that is a certain event or sure event. Certain event is that event which contains all the sample points in a sample space. Sample space S is a subset of itself because all point contains in this event. So it is a certain event. For example, a day of week. Surely we can say that there are only 7 days in a week. So this is a certain event. Throwing a die and getting a score from 1 to 6. We know that a die contains again 1 to 6 number. That is also sure event. Now next event is impossible events. As the name suggests impossible, it means that is not possible. And what is that event? An event which does not contain any sample point, then that event is known as an impossible event. This impossible event is also known as null or empty event. This is also denoted by a Greek letter phi. This letter is known as a phi, P-H-I, phi. So, example is that a die is thrown and getting a number 7. We throw this die. We know that this die contain only 6 numbers. Or our event is that we getting a number 7. That is impossible event because the die contain only 6 numbers. So this is impossible event. Second example is that a month of February containing 30 days. And we have already known that a month of February contains only 28 or 29 days. So again this is a impossible event. The third event is that elementary event. Event consisting only one sample point of a sample space is called elementary event. Can you guess one example of elementary event? Yeah. A die is thrown and getting a number which is neither prime nor composite. Which number is neither prime or nor composite? That is a number 1. 1 is the number that is neither prime nor composite. So it contains only one element. So that event is called elementary event. See the second example, getting an even prime. The number which is even and prime also. So only one number is that is a 2. So again it contains only one element. So it is also a elementary event. Next event is complement of an event. Suppose let A be an event in a sample space S, then A is a subset of this sample space S. The set of all those sample points in which are in sample space S but not in the event A. So that event is called complement of an event. This event is denoted by A dash or A raised to power C, which is known as a complement. Now see the examples to understand the concept better. Suppose a coin is tossed, getting head. This is my event. When a coin is tossed, the sample space is H, T and number of sample point is equal to 2. Now, what is my event here? My event is that getting head. So, number of sample point is only H, that is a 1. So, N of A is equal to 1. Now, we have to find A complement. We have to find such element which is present in the sample space S but not in the event A. And which are that element? This element that is a T. This T is present in sample space S but not in A. So A complement is equal to T. So number of sample point in A complement is equal to 1. Here notice that the complement of sample space S is always a empty set, that is a impossible event. And similarly, the complement of impossible event is nothing but the certain event, that is a sample space. Therefore, certain event and impossible event, they are complement of each other. Thank you.